day. Sing with me from A to Z. Clap your hands and dance with glee. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, so furry and sweet. D is for drum with a banging beat. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, so furry and sweet. D is for drum with a banging beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that hops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for helicopter, zooming by. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly that wiggles slow. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with the mighty cry. Monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest in a gentle breeze. O is for octopus, 8 legs go. P is for penguin waddling slow. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun so bright and warm. T is for train that toots its horn. Toot 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 toot. Toot 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 toot. Toot toot is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin, the music plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too. Going up and down. Z is for zebra stripes all around. Now we've sung from A to Z. You're so smart, hooray for me. We had fun, now shout hooray. We learn letters every day. Sing again from A to Z. Learning's fun for you and me.